Another day, another country for us. We're over here in spotless Singapore.
Singapore's openness to global trade and investment has attracted Ideoli's founders to this impeccable city-state.
We have met with key manufacturing partners and several factories here in Singapore.
Singapore serves as a strategic location for conducting business throughout Southeast Asia. What it lacks in its manufacturing infrastructure, it makes up for in its ease and ability to conduct business throughout the region and globally.
When it comes to international business, the world is truly a small place. This is why we make the effort to experience as much as we can when evaluating our international expansion strategy.
If you don't see it for yourself, it's hard to draw your own conclusions. That's why we're here in Singapore.
Ideoli is always searching for vibrant international markets, and exploring Singapore is an example of its dedication to doing so.